Hello there and welcome to the wild world of cryptocurrency. It's a place where digital dreams come true and fortunes are made overnight. Tonight we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Solana, a blockchain platform that's making waves in the tech community. Imagine a blockchain so fast it makes your head spin. We're talking about speeds that leave other blockchains in the dust. That's Solana, the autobahn of blockchains racing ahead with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Now I know what you're thinking, I can barely understand how to use Venmo, and now you're talking about blockchains? It sounds complicated, right? And you know what? Fair point. It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, this is important stuff. Understanding Solana could be a game changer for you. Solana's changing the game, folks. It's not just another blockchain, it's a revolution in how we handle digital transactions. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient than many of its competitors. Imagine paying less and getting more done in less time. We're talking about a blockchain that can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second. That's mind-blowing speed. To put that in perspective, that's like trying to stuff an entire season of Game of Thrones through a dial-up modem. Only Solana actually manages to do it. No more waiting, just instant results. So buckle up, grab a snack, preferably something with electrolytes because this is going to be a wild ride, and get ready to be amazed. Let's explore the world of Solana together. It's a journey you won't want to miss. Alright, let's break it down. At its core, Solana is a decentralized blockchain platform. Think of it like a giant public ledger that keeps track of transactions. But unlike your dusty old checkbook, this ledger is spread across thousands of computers worldwide. This decentralized bit is important because it means no single entity controls Solana. It's like the Internet of money, open, transparent, and resistant to censorship. So what can you actually with Solana? Well, a lot actually. You can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, of course. But Solana also supports something called dApps, which are like apps for your phone but built on the blockchain. Think games, social media platforms, and even decentralized finance applications. Exciting stuff, right? So how does Solana achieve its ludicrous speed? What makes it stand out in the crowded world of blockchain technology? Well, it all comes down to some clever engineering, innovative thinking, and a relentless pursuit of efficiency. And a dash of cryptographic magic that makes everything tick seamlessly. One of Solana's key innovations is something called proof of history, a revolutionary concept in the blockchain space. Essentially, it's like giving every transaction a timestamp that proves when it happened, ensuring a verifiable sequence of events. This might seem simple, but it's a game changer. It fundamentally alters how transactions are processed and verified. It eliminates the need for nodes to constantly check and verify the order of transactions, which is a time-consuming process that slows down other blockchains. This efficiency boost allows Solana to process transactions at lightning speed, far surpassing many of its competitors. On top of that, Solana uses something called proof of stake, which is a more energy-efficient way to secure the network compared to the energy-guzzling proof of work used by Bitcoin. Proof of stake not only conserves energy but also enhances the network's security and scalability. And let's not forget about Solana's low transaction fees. We're talking fractions of a penny here, folks. This makes it incredibly cost-effective for everyday transactions, whether you're sending money to a friend or making a purchase. So you can finally send your friend $5 for coffee without worrying about a $10 transaction fee eating up half their latte fund. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Ethereum versus Solana, a blockchain face-off. Now I know what you're thinking, you've been gushing about Solana, but what about Ethereum? Isn't that the big dog in the blockchain world? And you'd be right, Ethereum is the OG smart contract platform. But here's the thing, Ethereum is starting to show its age. It's slow, expensive, and often congested, like a Los Angeles freeway at rush hour. Solana, on the other hand, is like a brand new, super-fast bullet train, zipping past all the traffic. That's not to say Ethereum is down for the count. It's still the most established platform with a massive developer community. But Solana is quickly gaining ground with its speed, scalability, and low costs. The future is fast. Why Solana matters. In this section we dive deep into the significance of Solana and its impact on the blockchain ecosystem. So, why should you care about Solana? What makes it stand out in the crowded world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies? Because, my friends, the future of the internet is being built on blockchains like this. Solana is at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking about a future where transactions are faster, cheaper, and more secure. Imagine a world where financial transactions happen in the blink of an eye, without the hefty fees. A future where we have more control over our data and our finances. Solana's technology empowers users, giving them unprecedented control and security. Solana is still relatively new, but it's already making waves in the crypto world. Its innovative approach is catching the attention of developers and investors alike. Its speed, scalability, and low costs make it a compelling alternative to Ethereum and other established blockchains. Solana's unique architecture allows it to process thousands of transactions per second. So, there you have it, folks. Solana is not just another blockchain, it's a game changer. Solana, the blockchain autobahn, speeding us towards a decentralized future. It's paving the way for a new era of digital innovation. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go invest in some electrolytes after that wild ride through the world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the blockchain space.